Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about TransUnion credit monitoring services. But before we dive into the specifics, let's take a step back and ask ourselves a question. What is a credit score? Think of it like your financial report card. It's a number that tells lenders how likely you are to pay back a loan. The higher your score, the better your chances of getting approved for credit and getting a good interest rate. So, where do these credit scores come from? Three major credit bureaus collect and report your financial information: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. That's where TransUnion credit monitoring services come in. They basically keep an eye on your credit report and alert you to any changes that could affect your score. This could include things like new accounts opened in your name, late payments or collections, hard inquiries on your credit report. These happen when a lender checks your credit score. So, why would you want to use a TransUnion credit monitoring service? There are a few reasons. To protect yourself from identity theft. If someone steals your identity, they could open new accounts in your name and rack up debt. A credit monitoring service can help you spot these fraudulent activities early on. To improve your credit score. By keeping an eye on your credit report, you can identify any errors that could be dragging down your score. You can then take steps to correct those errors and improve your score over time. To get personalized advice and tips. Many credit monitoring services offer additional features such as credit education resources, personalized recommendations for improving your credit score, alerts about new credit offers. So, how do you choose a credit monitoring service? There are a few things to consider. Cost. Credit monitoring services can range in price from free to hundreds of dollars per year. Features. Some services offer more features than others, such as identity theft protection or credit education resources. Reputation. Look for a reputable company with a good track record. Here are a few popular TransUnion credit monitoring services. TransUnion TrueCredit, TransUnion VantageScore, TransUnion CreditView. Ultimately, the best credit monitoring service for you will depend on your individual needs and budget. In addition to using a credit monitoring service, there are a few other things you can do to protect your credit. Check your credit report regularly. You can get a free copy of your credit report from each of the three credit bureaus once a year at annualcreditreport.com. Freeze your credit. This will prevent anyone from opening new accounts in your name without your permission. Be careful with your personal information. Don't share your social security number or other sensitive information with anyone you don't know and trust. By taking these steps, you can help protect your credit and financial future. And that's all for today's video on TransUnion credit monitoring services. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance and credit. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.